I was researching ways of offering custom products on Etsy and came across custom album covers. I saw a few listings selling as many as 30 a week and realized we can do this pretty easily using Kittle and their templates. They're amazing templates that span across a variety of niches. I actually took a couple minutes to design a Beyonce album cover that you can see here. I'm going to show you how I did that in this video, and you can basically parlay what you're going to see me do in this video into offering custom album covers on Etsy. This is a nice way anytime you're offering personalizations of standing out, separating yourself from the crowd. People love going to Etsy and searching for customized, personalized gifts. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily we can accommodate people using Kittle. Let's get started. So to start, I jumped on over to Etsy Hunt and typed in custom album cover. As you can see here, there's quite a few different product types you can actually sell these designs on. So the sky is really the limit, and that includes digital products as well, where you literally get money for nothing. I mean, when I say nothing, you got to spend your time, but you're sending, rows and columns of pixels, right, that form a digital art file. So I just wanted to show you here, and this was the listing I was referring to at the top, doing over the last 7 days, 30 sales, and it has 138 total reviews and almost 1,000 total sales. We can scroll here throughout the page and notice that there's wall art, there's actually framed albums. Looks like there's like some custom LED or at least, kind of see-through with a design like maybe laser engraved into it. Products as well. There's keychains, there's phone covers. Guys, you can do quite a bit. And if you have a production partner like Awkward Styles to fulfill, you can offer almost all of these products that you're already seeing selling on Etsy regularly. Now, none of these are like, world breakers where you're making so many sales that, you're making thousands of dollars and replacing a full-time income on. But these are the types of products I like to list in my shop because they make enough money where if you have a couple of them selling regularly, that money adds up. And because they're not, #1 best sellers, they're often off the radar of the, Etsy whales, the Etsy sharks, the people who really know what they're doing and are tough to compete with. Maybe their shop has, 10,000 reviews or more. A lot of them are overlooking this sort of a product because, the high end of the sales isn't there. But I'm sure a lot of people watching this video would be happy with a product listing that makes 30 sales a week that you can pretty easily accommodate requests for. So jump on over to Kittle. And if you're not already a member, I'll put a link in the description so you can join for free. Once you're logged into Kittle, go ahead and click posters here at the top. And what this is going to do is filter their templates so that it's only displaying posters. Now, it's not required to use a template. If you wanted to, you can actually click new project in the top right corner. And from here, you can actually set the dimensions and accommodate whatever it is you're looking to do. But I find it much easier to just give it a little scroll, check the posters out, see what they've got going on here. Now we're making an album cover. So if you needed to make, a square instead of a rectangle, well, they also have templates for square dimensions, or you can try to fit the existing rectangle templates into a square, whatever works for you guys. I mean, it's very easy to accommodate within Kittle. I ended up coming across this poster that I thought was going to be a great example, a great jumping off point for the Beyonce album cover Lemonade from 2016. All right, I'm just using this as an example, but to me, I thought, hey, why not? You know what I mean? Who doesn't love Beyonce? So I went ahead and I clicked use this design, and I managed to transform this design into this end result. And I'm actually going to show you how I did that now. So I started off with the Roadbug, nice yellow template. I think it's perfect for the Lemonade album. Here I typed in Lemonade where the title used to be, had to resize the text to make it fit. I took the secondary text, wrote Beyonce, tried to put it at the top, realized it's probably better at the bottom. After clearing up the existing elements that I don't need, moved it to the bottom. Next, uploaded a picture of Beyonce and sent that layer to the back of the design so that the Beyonce text stays above it. And to put the finishing touches on, all I'm doing is going to the elements in the sidebar. I found a nice little star that blends in nicely and doesn't detract attention away from Beyonce. And I'm just scattering those throughout the background, and I'm done. So what do you guys think? I think it came out pretty good, and you can offer custom album covers using Kittle, sell them on Etsy, sell them anywhere that you can communicate with your customers to ask them what kind of personalizations they would like to see in their final design. When you jump on over to Kittle and use their templates as a jumping off point, it could not be easier to create these custom outputs. If you want to, sell them as digital products, but of course you can feed them into physical products as well that you outsource to production partners. Let them deal with producing the product and shipping it out to your customer while you sit back and collect a profit. So guys, I've got Kittle linked at the top of the description. I hope you check it out. You can join for free. If you like this video, please let the YouTube algorithm know by dropping a like and subscribe if you are not already. That's always greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.